Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 7th, and we are going to take a look at the Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up $11.50, 1.1%, closed at 1057.26, post-market up $3. So what is happening right now? Let's look at the chart. The chart tells us everything. Basically, we are touching again 1023.11, so pretty much the same thing as yesterday. We closed a little bit higher. We are above 1054.69, which is an interesting resistance. I can say that. Going to see the 1-hour chart to understand how this all happened. Opened a little bit higher than where we closed yesterday. Went up and tried. We tried and failed 1073.95. We tried and failed to break it. Not too much surprise. Stochastic is quite low. Then we came back down, but cannot go lower than 1023.11. And then we're trying a second round to 1073, but stochastic is not very high. I doubt for now that this is going to succeed. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic on the daily is still at 75. The stock could be recovering. MACD almost crossed over, and DMI is still green. So far, this is just a little bit of a pullback. That's all. This is a little bit of a pullback. Yes, we would have liked the pullback to stop at 1054.69, but we cannot decide. So we pulled back a little bit lower. There was a gap there, so maybe that's the reason why we came back to 1023.11. Let's go see what's happening with the VIX and everything. VIX is stabilizing. The market does not seem to know exactly what it wants to do. So the VIX is higher than it was last week, but it tries to go higher, but then is being pushed back. Looking at the Dow Jones and everything. So Dow Jones, so we are bouncing also on 34,333. So we are bouncing on it. Stochastic is still decent at 69. So we could still go higher. We have a bounce also for S&P 500. And I'm going to do this other resistance right here. So until we break this here, nothing new is going to happen. And for Nasdaq 100 is bouncing. It's not really bouncing. And Nasdaq 100 is still above this support right here. Support at 13,759. But we broke it during the day here. So that's a little bit weak for my taste. Let's go see that 1-hour chart here. Yeah, the 1-hour chart, the stochastic is super, super low. So the impulse up is not really convincing so far. It can become convincing eventually, but it is not so far. And with technical analysis, we don't try to predict what is going to happen. We act on what is happening. So we act when there's a stock that breaks a resistance with stochastic over 60. We act, we get in, and then we make some money. Nobody can predict what is going to happen to the stock market short term. We can find a new pattern, so that's the only type of prediction that we are doing. It's better for Nasdaq 100. It's still above support. So pretty uneventful day for Tesla today. So if we want the stock to go back up, we are going to need something different to happen in the market. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. Send me a tip, why not? And I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday because I'm taking some time off. So see you Monday, guys, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.